I'm just about to hit record and I want to show you what it looks like to record on Descript. You're gonna go on here. You're gonna go to camera. I'm using that one. It's completely up to you. Then your mic gonna automatically transcribe for you. And then you start screen recording and it tells you where. So if you want the whole screen, you would just click. If you want a certain part of the screen, let's just say I want this small part. Okay, start recording. And then this, you can constantly be moving it, or you can switch the size. So if like you want mostly me, but I like want to be on here too, that's how it will come out. So I'm gonna start recording. And then you start recording. You see right there, it's starting to record. Recording. So let's say I want to edit a certain video and the highlighted part is exactly the area that I'm going to be. And if I want this a little bit smaller while I'm speaking, I can do that too. If I want to change up, I can do that too. It's super cool. That's why I love Descript. Highly suggest it. So whatever you decide to use, this is pretty much an all-in-one. You can use your screen or not. As you can see, this is a version of the screen that you can do. Let's say you want to see my entire screen. This is one of the things that you can do. So let's say that you only, like I showed you earlier, you want to do a certain part of the screen, like your slides. So you can just have your slides go next. You can literally have them in Canva already as a website and you can just press next, or you can have them like a PDF, however you want that. Let me know if you need any help. But I know that the most affordable option has a lot of the features anyway. Let's go to the next video.